Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from Bluehost to Hostinger. Let's get started. First, go to Bluehost and log in your account. Look for the domain name you want to transfer to Hostinger and disable this domain lock toggle. Then click on Move and Access up here. In this next page, click on the option Request Auth Code. Next, select a reason for your transfer, then click on Continue right here. In this next page, just click on Continue with Transfer. Next, in this pop-up, click on Send Auth Code, and Bluehost will send the code to your email that you use for Bluehost. Next, go to Hostinger and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domains from the left panel. In this new page containing your domains, click on Add New Domain from the top right corner, then click on Transfer an existing domain from the drop-down menu. In this field, enter in here the Bluehost domain you want to transfer, then click on Transfer at the far right. Next, you just need to enter the code Bluehost sent you, then buy the domain. And that is how you can transfer your domain from Bluehost to Hostinger. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.